everyone, I am again back with a new job opportunity. So this time MDocs is hiring for the role of software engineer associate job profile. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you will be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus. And in our previous videos we discussed about the Zoho recruitment drive. So they are hiring for the member product management job profile, and it's for the candidates those who are having 0 to 4 years of experience. Any year of pass out candidates can apply for this off campus. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video. Go through the link and apply for this off campus before it gets expired, because Zoho is one of the best MNC for the freshers. You will be getting enough experience from this job profile or from this company. And also Cognizant is hiring for the role of junior data analyst job profile. So I'll be putting this link as well in the description. So apply for these off campus before they get expired. So these are the latest off campus, and these are the active job offers, or you can say that off campus drives right now. So now let's discuss. So this is the career portal of MDocs. So they're hiring for the software engineer associate 2021 off campus Pune. So it is only for the 2021 year pass out or the batch candidates. So the candidates those who belong to the 2019 or 2020 2018 are not eligible for this off campus, unfortunately. So no need to worry about that. You can apply for that. Zoho, Cognizant, and HCL and other companies are there in the description. I have put minimum of 10 to 15 off campus drives for which 2018, 2019, 2020, even 21 year of pass out candidates are eligible. So they are hiring for BTech, ME, MTech, only the computer science, IT background, EC or ETC streams only, or any other related stream candidates can apply, or the MCA candidates only. 60% throughout the academics is required. That means in starting from 10th, 11th, 10th, 12th, and the diploma if you have done, and the 60% in your BTech or MTech, etc. 60% is required throughout your academics minimum. Then excellent communication skills. Job profile will be doing like development, testing, or managed service development support. That means as per the business need, you will be doing the development, testing, or the support work. Whatever is needed, you will be doing. It is not fixed that you will be doing only the development work. So whenever it is a requirement, you need to give the support or solve the tickets. Then work location is Pune or Gurgaon. There are two different locations. It's a very good thing. You can join either Pune or Gurgaon as per your convenience, or you can say as per your preference. Then responsive, what will be your profile or responsibility? Responsible for design, development, modifications, debugging, and or the maintenance of the software systems or the software products. So these are the key responsibilities or the roles for this off campus or for this particular job profile. So other things you can go through these things later. I'll be putting this link in the description so that you'll be able to go through all these things, like what are they looking for. And for a convenience, just I am reading out 1 to 2 lines so that you'll be able to have a brief idea about your eligibility. You'll be design, develop, modify, debug, as we discussed earlier. You'll be investigate the issues by reviewing or debugging the codes, provide fixes, and the work bounds. So basically you'll be doing the development as well as the support work. So if you're interested for this off campus, simply click on the apply now button here. Then it will take you to the login page, success factor. So this is the login page of MDocs. So if you have already created an account in this MDocs career portal, you need not to need not to sign up again. Simply you need to provide your email address, then password, then sign in. Otherwise, if you are a new user, then create an account. So generally the application process through the success factor is a little bit lengthy, so that's why I am skipping this part, because you need to provide your basic details, that means personal details, and the educational, then again experience. If you don't have any experience, then put NA, etc. And then you need to provide some voluntary questions you need to answer, etc. So it will be taking minimum of 10 minutes, so that's why I am skipping this part. So you can go through the application process. It's a very easy process. So if you have any doubts regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts. or if you have any if you are facing any errors or something, you can take the screenshot and send us to the email address helpfultechniques@gmail.com. So I'll be putting that link, or you can say the email address, in the description of this video, so that you will be able to reach us whenever it is required. So I'll be putting this link, this application link or the registration link, in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to apply for this off campus before it gets expired. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.